Find a quadratic polynomial such that the sum and product of its zeros are 2 and minus 8 respectively. A quadratic polynomial in its generalized form will be of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Let us say the zeros of this polynomial are alpha and beta. These are the zeros of this polynomial. What is given to us is the sum of its zeros and product of its zeros. So, alpha plus beta, sum of its zeros is equal to a 2 and the product of its zeros alpha beta is equal to a minus 8. We know the sum of the zeros using the coefficient alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and the product of its coefficient alpha beta is equal to c upon a. So, what we have is minus b upon a is equal to a 2 and c upon a is equal to a minus 8. This is what we have. If a is equal to 1, then we know that minus b by 1 is equal to 2 or b is equal to a minus 2, and if a is equal to 1, we know c is equal to a minus 8. So, a equals 1, b equals minus 2, c equals minus 8 are possible values for a, b and c. Therefore, this quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is 2 and product of zeros is equal to minus 8 essentially is going to be ax square, which is 1x square, plus bx, which is equal to minus 2x, plus c, which is equal to minus 8. So, a quadratic polynomial sum of whose zeros is going to be 2 and product of whose zeros is equal to minus 8 is x square minus 2x minus 8. Why are we talking about this as a quadratic polynomial? We can have multiple ones which are going to be k times this value. For example, instead of taking a to be equal to a 2, I could have gone for a is equal to 3. Correspondingly, we would have had b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 24. That is also a valid quadratic polynomial for which sum of its zeros is going to be equal to a 2 and product of its zeros is going to be equal to a minus 24. Quite often, it is sufficient if you went with an a equals 1 and found out the answer.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.